To enable dark mode on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply enable dark mode on YouTube. So without further ado, let's dive into this. First of all, what you're going to do is open up the Play Store if you're using an Android device and make sure that your YouTube application is updated. If it's updated, it's very good because newer features won't be available on the previous version of the YouTube application. Apple user, make sure you do this on your App Store. So when all of this is done, you just open that YouTube of yours and this is a similar kind of a page appears up, but you have to go and tap on your profile by tapping at the right top corner of your screen. Once you do that, a dialog box or a new page appears up from bottom of the screen that suggests you numerous options, in which you're going to go and tap on the settings. Once you go over there in the general, you're going to tap on it. Once again in the general page there are numerous options, but you have to select for a theme one that would be named as dark theme. That is the number third option. So once you tap on it, this is how you enable dark mode on YouTube using your mobile phone, and now the dark mode has been enabled on your YouTube device. This is a data saver as well. So this is how you enable dark mode on YouTube. So another thing, if you guys find this video informative, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. And if you have any query or question or problem, just comment down below and I would love to answer that. Secondly, see you all till next time. Peace.